Andi Lew and welcome to my wellness kitchen. Today we've pre-made the chocolate cake from my book, which is a bestseller called Eat Fat, Be Thin. And I'm going to show you the most exciting icing using some of my favourite brands, including Slim Secrets, where we'll make a crumble, and Hoppers, who make the most amazing colourful sprinkles that have no artificial colours or flavours. Wait till you see this party food. Remember that butter is actually a good fat. So you can eat fats because your hormones and your nervous system is made up of fats and cholesterol. So we're going to put half a block of butter. Naturally Sweet is one of my favourite brands. In fact, they make this beautiful 100% natural stevia blend. Stevia is plant-based and it has 0 calories. 1 cup of naturally sweet stevia goes in with the butter. This is great for diabetics or those who are watching their sugar levels. With a mixer, blend your butter in with the stevia, just like you would cream sugar and fat, but this one doesn't have any sugar. This is very unusual to have a food dye with no colourings, but Hoppers do a 100% natural one, and it's made from fruit and vegetables. And now you can spoon the delicious pink flavoured icing, which is completely natural, onto our chocolate cupcakes. Slim Secrets do great afternoon snacks. This one's wheat-free and I'm going to use it to make a crumble for the topping of our cupcakes. Grab 2 of the Slim Secrets bars and in a clean tea towel, break it up. And now it's time for the sprinkles that don't make you or your kids go crazy. How good is natural colour and high protein dessert? How good is this party food? It's high protein, and thanks to Naturally Sweet with stevia, it's got 0 sugar. It just looks amazing, and by the way, it tastes amazing too.